Well, as you can see, it's not all Jap stuff that we do here at Dynodaze. This is a lovely BMW that we've got a stage 1 shoe today. It's an auto, it's diesel, so it'll make some power. First thing we've got to do is do a standard power run and make sure that she's healthy enough. If she makes similar to standard power, that usually is a good indication that we're good to go. Then we're going to use a CMD tool to read the information from the ECU. We're then going to put that file into Windows and start tuning, raising some torque limiters and smoke limiters and things like that, and yeah, see where we get. So like I say, it's not all Japanese stuff. We can't always have it our own way, but this is a customer that's got another car. He knows us, so we're gonna get cracking with his daily. Right then. Okay, so that's the initial power run done, and we have made ourselves, well, we've got 143 brake horsepower to start with, which is good because this is a 140 brake horsepower model, so that gives us a good indication that we can make some improvements. So let's get on it. Okay, so there's your power that we've made today. Nothing too exciting. Obviously, it's only a 318d, but it's definitely going to be an improvement, and he's definitely going to notice that power. So we finished today on 182 brake horsepower, which is about 40 brake horsepower up, isn't it? So very good, very good.